Anther dehiscence. Anther dehiscence means after microsporogenesis or during the microsporogenesis, microspores are released from the microsporangium by the anther dehiscence. Microsporogenesis means microspores or pollen grains comes out from the microsporangium chamber or developed from the microsporangium chamber is called microsporogenesis. See, after microsporogenesis or during the microsporogenesis, microspores are released from the anther lobes or released from the microsporangium chambers by the following methods. That methods are called dehiscence method. That methods are called dehiscence method. It is also called anther dehiscence. See, first we discussed about the porous dehiscence. Porous dehiscence means on the two thecas, terminal part of two thecas, pore-like structures are developed by the stomium tissues. Pore-like structures are developed by the stomium tissues. By these pore-like structures or from these pore-like structures, microspores are comes out from the microsporangium chamber. This type of dehiscence is called porous dehiscence. And the second one, short slits dehiscence. Short slits dehiscence means on the terminal part of two anther lobes, short slit-like structures are developed by the stomium cells. From these short slits-like structures, microspores or pollen grains are comes out from the microsporangium chambers. This type of dehiscence is also called short slits dehiscence. And the third one is longitudinal slits dehiscence. Along the two lobes, longitudinally dehiscence. Longitudinally slit-like structures are developed. By these longitudinal slit-like structures, microspores are comes out from the microsporangium chambers. This process is also called longitudinal slits dehiscence. Longitudinal slits dehiscence. And the fourth one, transfer slits dehiscence. See, on the two thecas or on the two lobes of anthers, transfer stomium cells are present. They are produced transfer slit-like structures. By these transfer slit-like structures, microspores or pollen grains are comes out from the microsporangium chambers. This dehiscence is also called transfer slits dehiscence. And the fifth one, valvate or valves dehiscence. See, on these two anthers lobes, lateral side special valves-like structures are developed by the stomium tissues. By these valves, microspores are comes out from the microsporangium chamber. Microspores are comes out from the microsporangium chamber. This type of dehiscence is also called valvate or valves dehiscence. And the last one, irregular dehiscence. Irregular dehiscence means anther lobes or thecas or slits in irregular manner. By these irregular slits, microspores or pollen grains are comes out from the microspore chambers. By these 6 methods in angiosperms, microspores are comes out from the microsporangium chamber. This process is called anther dehiscence. Mainly anther dehiscence are porous dehiscence, short slits dehiscence, longitudinal dehiscence, longitudinal slits dehiscence, transverse slits dehiscence, valves dehiscence, and irregular dehiscence. By these 6 types of decisions, microspores or pollen grains are comes out from the microsporangium chamber. They are moved by wind or moves by water or carries by the birds or carries by the bats or carries by the snakes and transferred to the stigma of another flower. This process is also called pollination mechanism. Pollination mechanism means pollen grains are deposited on the stigma. This process is called pollination. The pollen grains are deposited on the stigma by the wind or by the water or by the birds or by the bats or by the snakes. These are the pollinator factors